Hello all the warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena. Today I'm going to bring you to the Nitro Mini 4WD because they have a race today, and also I'm also going to show you the direction how to get there. So let's start today's video. Let's go. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video you will know it right away. Thank you. The MRT I'm taking this time is the green line. And no matter which transfer station that you are taking, only thing you have to look at is follow the sign and looking for the orange line. And when you found the sign for the orange line, you have to make sure the final station you are going is called Huilong. So you have to check is your station is going to the Huilong, because there's two different lines. And the station we are going to is called Touqianzhuang. And also you can check if the line is correct and how much longer you have to wait from the screen.
A few moments later.
And now we arrived to Touqianzhuang. So when you arrive to that station, you have to looking for the exit number 4, and that's the one we have to take to leave the stations. So at the left hand side you can see a Porsche dealership, and of course you can walk and take a look at some fancy cars. Just for me it's a little bit too expensive, I can't afford it, so let's speed up. And over here you have to turn left when you see there's a Kia on your right hand side. And then we only need to go all the way straight about 10 minutes. Then you will see, I think there is a Tesla dealership. It's gonna show up at your left hand side. So when you see the Tesla, that means we are almost there. And when you pass the dealership and there's a gas station, and this way we only need to cross the street and to the other side and then turn left, and the shop will just show up and at our right hand side. So the shop is located on the second floor, so we just go all the way straight till the end, and there will be a stair, then we just go to the second floor. And the first thing we can see is the player area. That's for where we can set up our stuff and we can tune up my car. And then that will be the track area, and you can see the store owner is preparing for the race for today. Okay, and you can see there's some parts on the wall. So during the race, if you need something, and that's the place you have to look for it.
KO.
你扣啊！
选赛道。